Hey Ruchita, how are you?
Hi Prabhat, I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks for asking. So I believe this is our fourth placement session, right?
Yes.
As I remember, you are targeting for the data analyst role.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's circle back to the last discussion which we had in our third placement session, Ruchita. So I'll just quickly share a screen. Okay.
Okay.
So as we have discussed earlier, for the data analyst role, only three stacks are very much important. That are Excel, Power BI, and SQL. And in the action sheet, I can see your progress. It is really well. Like 80% of the things are already cleared. But I can see at the level 6 and 7, lookup functions and data preparation in Excel is not yet completed.
Yes, actually, I am facing difficulty in evaluating the formula. So please, can you help me in this? I wanted to solve a few more problems regarding those concepts.
Okay, not an issue, Ruchita. So basically, I'll be sending you some data sets and real world projects so that you get help in preparing these topics at level 6 and level 7.
Okay.
Rest for Power BI also, I can see many of things are done. Some are left, so focus on that. All right. In
Okay.
SQL also same. A little bit you are facing difficulty in CTs and views, right?
Yes. I'll try to
So
solve
basically,
more
when you are
problems.
answering any question, so just follow a approach, right? So
Okay.
basically, first learn about the definition. What is that particular topic is about? The second thing is why and when it has been used, right? So
Okay.
coming on to CT, why CT is used and when CT is used, and at last the practical implementation comes on. So if you study like that, it will be very easy for you to crack any interview. All right.
Okay, fine.
Since I can see the progress is really well, so next week I am going to plan a mock interview for you where the industry professional from top companies like Microsoft, Accenture, and Walmart will be coming to take a mock interview with you. All right. So after the interview, you will be assigned a number, a rank. If that rank is above 8, right? So you will
Okay.
be qualified for the placements, and then you will be getting the referral from the company. All right. So based on your profile and your capabilities, we already have shortlisted 5 of the companies which will be the best fit for you.
Okay.
Right.
Actually, I wanted to share my resume with you as we discussed in the previous session. Few changes were suggested, so can I share my screen for that?
Yeah, sure, Ruchita, sure.
Yeah. Yes, so this is the resume. I have made certain changes. Please, can you guide me further?
Sure, I'll just have a look here. So as I can see, you have done some changes in your resume, Ruchita, but still there are some things that needs to be addressed still. All right. So let's jump onto the point directly. The first one is the formatting of text. As I can see, the inconsistency in formatting in the experience section, right?
Okay.
So get it fixed. And the second thing is where you are adding project, I can see only one project. So basically 2 to 3 best projects should be added there. And along with it, the link of the GitHub profile should also be added so that any recruiter can go directly and see the work which you have done in the particular project, right? And if
Okay.
that things are done, your resume is good to be shortlisted in any of the good companies for data analyst role.
Okay, fine. I'll be doing all the changes. So we can discuss in the next session also.
All right. So since I
Yes.
mentioned about the companies and placement, so I'll be your placement mentor as we have already discussed, and I'll be guiding you throughout the placement process, right? From the
Okay.
round one to round one to the final round until you are placed, right?
Okay.
So do your best. All right.
Yes.
Work hard, and you will definitely get placed in any of the good companies, right?
Yes. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Do you have any questions?
No, whatever is like, I'll be doing everything by the next session and then we can go further on.
All right, that sounds good, Richita. Further,
Yes.
if you have any doubts and queries, you're free to reach out to me anytime, right?
Okay, yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you so much for joining. All the
Yes.
best for your career.
Yes,
Yeah.
thank you so much.